Now I follow the white and black wires. These two connector points will be a perfect spot where I can check and make sure that the cord is not burnt out. And here they are. Okay, let me see if I can get a reading off of them. As you can see, 117 AC volts. Should be anywhere between 110 and 120. Now we need to find out whether the transformer is working. So we need to follow these blue and yellow wires. This blue wire goes to a manual switch. This is this switch right here. I've had switches go bad in the past, so it's best to check both sides. Now the yellow wire goes to this ignition board. It's this big guy over here. So I go ahead and test the switch and make sure that there's 24 volts going to the circuit, which we have about 26 volts. I'm going to go through all of the connections on this board since I think it's an ignition problem. Since the only other board is a temperature control board, and since it gets its same 24 volt from a pigtail coming from the ignition board. And here's what I found. This black and white wire had no power going to it, meaning it was one of these sensors that might be the problem. Any of these four sensors will stop the ignition process. The first sensor that I can get to is this rollout sensor. It's a fusible link. It monitors the flame inside the gas heater. If the flame gets hot or creeps back into the unit, the link fuses and shuts down the unit. They can also fuse due to electrical issues. If you have to replace this multiple times, there might be something wrong with the electrical system. So you want to go ahead and check all of the wires, making sure that there's no loose wires, and make sure everything's well grounded.